guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig for you, so if you're interested in seeing this baby right here, then keep on watching. So I am back again with yet another affordable wig review. Picked this baby up from samsbeauty.com. Y'all know I get down with samsbeauty.com. They are one of my favorite online beauty supply stores. I have been rocking with them for forever now, and I absolutely love the service. Now I got this relatively quick. I ordered it last week. I got it in a matter of 3 days, y'all. That is kind of fast for everything that's going on right now. This is the fastest I've ever gotten any package in a long time. So Sam's Beauty is on point with their shipping. So yeah, this is it right here. This is by the brand StudioCut. It is an invisible deep part wig, girl. So it's not like a lace front wig, more like a full cap wig with a lace part. Now I reviewed one of these wigs by this very same brand just about a week or two ago on my channel. I'll have that video linked down below for your viewing pleasures, honey. Check that one out. I love that one too. The colors was really nice on that one. But this one is Ritzy, and I have it in the color number 2. And here's you a close-up of the lady there. Now look, she's rocking it in a really pretty color. That's real cute. I do like that. But I got it in a natural color, a number 2. I feel like in synthetics, the natural colors last longer than the pretty blondes and browns. That's just in my opinion. I seem to keep these longer than I keep my light colored synthetic wigs. It's just something about those synthetic fibers. They're just not created equal, and that's fact. So yeah, this is the hair. Really nice. Not a whole lot of shine going on, but yes, girl, this is synthetic, so do expect some shine. It just comes with being a synthetic wig. So the cap is standard. You got combs here at the top, you got one at the back, and that good old adjustable strap here in the back. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take off this little hangy stock card, because girl, you know we don't wear that on our wig. You take that off. So that's all I'm doing right now. There's no lace to cut, anything like that. So I'm just taking this off, and we're just gonna put this wig on. Now this is one of those wigs that's gonna have a really blunt front to it. So it's gonna scream, "Ah, wig!" That's how it's going to look. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you that. Exactly what I mean. Then push my stocking cap back a little bit. Had it down a little too far, but yeah. Now this is one of those units. Now you can finesse it. Now if you want a middle part, shift that thing to the middle and make your own middle part. If you're more of a side part wearer like me, do that. Now as far as that bluntness of this, I normally just wear it back behind my hairline a bit, bring out some of the hairs here, and create an illusion with some baby hairs. Now that usually works for me. Now I know some people just don't like the way that looks, and you shy away from these type of wigs for that very reason. I get it. Now you could go ahead and pluck some of the hairs out of the part to widen it, or put some makeup down it to make it look a little more natural, but I'm cool with that. But what I am going to do is this area right here, I'm going to pluck out some of these hairs right here at the beginning, right in here, and then I'm going to place it behind my hairline just a bit, bring out some of these hairs here, and then I'm just going to swoop it down to create some baby hairs, okay, just around this to kind of camouflage it. So that's all you do. You just have to get creative with it when you don't want your wig to look so wiggy, okay? So that's what I'm about to go and do right now. So I'll be right back once I have that done, and I'll show you what I did in the front. I did take some of the hairs out here. I can stand to pull a few more out right in here, but girl, I'm okay with it. It's just a cheap synthetic wig and I'm just going to work, so I'm good with this little setup that I have front with my little edge control brush and just swooped it around just to camouflage this little wiggy part here. I did pluck out some of the hairs, but it looks like I can pluck a few more. I don't want to do too much because I don't want my wig to start falling apart and my part to just look totally crazy. But yeah, this is what I did. Now that I kind of have her styled just the way I like it, this is how I'm going to be wearing this unit today. I really do like it, and for the price, girl, you can't beat it. It's not bad. It's a synthetic wig and I think it looks great for the price. Really feeling this unit. Let me know what you think. Let me know, girl. I like it. Is this a little too wiggy for you? Is the baby hands in the front too much? Girl, let me know what you think. I like it. I think it's perfect for work. I'm just going to work today. I'm wearing it to work. It's synthetic, perfect for inclement weather, girl. Love synthetic wigs on rainy days. So this is just perfect. Perfect. But yeah, can't beat it for the price. I like it. And the hair has the perfect amount of shine. Not really shiny, but it's definitely shiny though. But I love this synthetic hair texture right here. It kind of mimics yucky hair and I absolutely love that, and it just lasts so long, this type of hair does. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.